Our prediction for the day on GBP JPY will be a buy movement. So our prediction is that we are to expect GBP JPY to still push up to a level of 216. So today's video is brought to you by Invest Social. Invest Social is a community where you can share market insights, market ideas, also market strategy. It is also a community where you can get to connect with traders, analysts, and developers. It is also a community where you can join a session, a community whereby that has a session for every financial market to trade, be it the stock market. If you trade the stock market, Invest Social has a session for it. If you trade the Forex market or the commodity market, Invest Social has a session for this. And it's if you trade the indices market or also the cryptocurrency market, Invest Social has a session for every of this. To be part of this, make sure you visit investsocial.com. This is our movement, right? First, we are trading above our 10 period simple moving average. So if market is below it, you will know that it is in a downtrend move, right? But what we are seeing right here is that market is above our 10 period simple moving average. That is an indication that we are in an uptrend. To the extent that market even give us a pullback, so we can now see this as a confluence movement. So market has given us a pullback to tap our 10 period simple moving average. That should now serve as a confluence to eventually make market to bounce. So we are to expect it to bounce to a level of 216. So this is one of the reasons why we said a level of 216 is what we should expect GBPJPY to push up to. Now let's drop to our forward time frame right here. This is going to be a rejection zone. So with this rejection zone, one more time, right, once more, we should expect market to push up to a level of 216.100. So our targets on GBPJPY for between Thursday and Friday should be a level of 216 100. If in case there will be any changes to this our prediction, I will make sure I do the updates and let you guys know. So if you want to be part of the community, make sure you visit investsocial.com.